Sylvia from Galore Flavors. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be making another one of my favorites. Here we have my delicious and tender beef shank. I'll be braising them in a red wine onion broth gravy. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be using a 9 by 13 baking dish. And then we're going to start by chopping all our onions, our carrots, and our celery, and we're going to put that aside. My eyes. We're going to move on to our celery. Just slice them in half. And then chop them in larger pieces. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and chop our carrots in half. We went ahead and chopped all our veggies. Now we're gonna go ahead and season our beef, and then we're gonna go ahead and saute them in some olive oil. First, start by seasoning it with some salt. Okay, so we went ahead and seasoned one side. We're gonna go ahead and rub that in. And then we're gonna turn them all over and do the same thing on the other side. Remove that extra blood that came out. Turn them over and go ahead and put the rest of your seasoning on the opposite side. Now this is gonna be in a saucy broth. We're gonna put some broth in there, so don't think it's gonna be too salty with all this salt. It's gonna go into the to the gravy as well. So allspice. Last but not least, our garlic powder. Rub that in as well with the sides. Here's some extra seasoning on the plate. Now we're gonna go ahead and place some flour, all-purpose flour. We're gonna sprinkle it over our beef shanks and evenly coat it with the flour. Then we're gonna go ahead and place this in the skillet, and we're gonna go ahead and brown both sides. You might have to work, if your pan is medium size like mine, you might have to do it in 2 separate batches, but that's okay. Place some olive oil in your pan, coat the entire pan with olive oil. Check if your oil is hot. Just sprinkle some of your flour in there. It looks pretty good. And then place your beef shanks in the oil. So this has been cooking for about a minute or so. I'm going to show you that once it's brown, because my fire was on a little high, go ahead and turn them if it looks brown like that. That's how they should look. It smells so good already. It's been cooking on both sides for a minute or two. They're both sides aren't straight, you can actually grill the sides at the same time. I don't really want to. It's up to you. I could just place them in areas until I pick up the rest. Put them on the sides, grill the sides. Remove and place them in a bowl and go on to your second batch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop, actually I'm gonna slice my garlic and really, not too fine. I like to keep them this thick. The other head of garlic is gonna be in our roasted garlic mash. Now we're gonna go ahead and place our onions into the same oil, and we're gonna saute these into the oil. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and place our carrots and our celery. We're gonna saute this for about 2 minutes. Okay, so I went ahead and I opened up some space in my pan, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a half a cup of, you can use dry wine. I have semi-sweet and I like it semi-sweet, so I'm gonna go ahead and place a half a cup of red wine. Add your bay leaves. Add your chopped garlic. And then add your beef broth. Add some salt, garlic powder, and my secret ingredient, allspice. Add your all-purpose flour. This will make it a little bit more like a gravy. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and do the next step, and I completely forgot. If you guys were interested in my apron, go ahead, the link is gonna be on the bottom. It's on our website. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be able to order it from there. So we're gonna go ahead and place our beef and our broth into our cooking pan. So first you're gonna go ahead and place some olive oil. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and place our beef in our tray. Go ahead and place your broth over your meat. Go ahead and sprinkle some of your pepper seeds. Place this in the oven for 3 hours. We have 1 hour left for our beef shanks to cook. They are looking amazing and the house is smelling fantastic. So now we're gonna go on to our next step with our roasted garlic mashed potato. All right, I went ahead and I rinsed them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up. Our potatoes are good, they're soft. You can poke your forks right through it. That means they're ready. So we're gonna go ahead and strain this and we'll be back. In the same pot that we boiled our potatoes, we're gonna put a half a stick of butter. We're gonna go ahead and melt that. Place my garlic cloves and I'm gonna slice them. Go ahead and roast these until they are caramelized. Keep on stirring so your butter doesn't burn. Place your potatoes right back into that pan. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be using a 9 by 13 cooking tray. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and chop our onions in half. Just like that. What did I say?
Onion, you said?
Oh. Now we're going to go ahead and chop our... So let's get started.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.